Knocked one.
They're coming.
One's coming.
Fuck.
God, of course.
Alright.
Really?
Oh fuck. Keep up.
Come.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, the storm. Wait, we're right by the circle though. Thanks, girl.
Wait, what happened to Batman?
I downed
I
him.
shot him.
I downed.
okay.
We downed each other at the same time.
Okay, good. I didn't see what happened to him, so
Here, I have a medkit for you. Or do you have medkits?
I have shield potions that I can give you one.
There's a campfire here.
Oh, true. I'm sitting by it.
Dane here. Medkit.
The other people are like right down here.
Come by the campfire.
For you.
Thank you.
Also, we can loop them now. The storm is coming
Yep,
into
the
them.
storm is receding. Ooh, I will take that legendary spire. Or no, fuck. Where's my
No, it's
SMG?
Fury.
A chug.
Actually, yeah, I'm taking the Ascended. And I'll take the Chug too. It's not even used. Even better.
Oh, there's mythic base boosts if anyone wants.
I
I
got
wanna get
the
these bitches that they feel like bots.
Yeah,
I got
this
the
is taking
Ascended
long.
Mist.
Where are they?
Oh, over there. I see the bullets.
Over here.
Hang on, let me finish. Oh, the storm.
There's people where I am. Okay. There's one more.
Oh, there's people fighting here.
Thank you for helping.
Of course, girl.
Here, wait.
I'm gonna try and... Oh, yeah, let me get that. I'm gonna try and heal if I can.
Us in 2.
Fuck.
Got him.
That bitch.
On my way.
There's a Chug Jug over there too. Oh, the storm though, we need to move.
Time to use my movement.
Using mine.
It's just us and one other person.
Yep.
Now where are they?
There is a reboot van here.
I'm gonna try to get them with the hammer.
I'm gonna stick by the reboot van actually. I'm gonna, cause we don't need them rebooting. I'm gonna at least stick by it while it's out of storm.
No, sorry. No.
Oh, I found them over here.
Oh.
I'm gonna try and get over there. Shotgun.
Got him.
Oh,
Yeah.
play. Crown win too. I love that.
Yep, I'm up